In various places around the U.S., boats are being subjected to searches and are sometimes asked to remove their ballast water as they travel through various lakes and by rivers. Also, scientists are researching the use of heating and filters. The reason for this is just two species of fleas: the fishhook water flea, Cercopagus pengoi, and spiny water flea, Bythotrephes. These two fleas are from mainly the Ponto-Caspian basin, but spread quickly with boats into the Great Lakes, Gulf of Riga, and many other places. These fleas' long and sometimes spiky tails can make them seem unappetizing to some fish, and they are consuming the food source of many younger fish. Since these fleas multiply quickly, it is best to take measures against them before they enter a new lake. Boaters should clean their ships frequently before journeying. For more information, go to www.usgs.gov or call 1-888-275-8747.